Imagine investing in a new monitor that meets all your requirements. Or does it? Stay tuned to discover some surprising drawbacks you might have overlooked. The Asus VA34VCPSN impresses with its sleek, frameless design and 1500R curvature, providing an immersive viewing experience. Extensive ergonomic adjustment options ensure optimal comfort, whether you're working or gaming. But does this monitor feel as premium as its competitors? If you're curious, take a look at this monitor and check out the latest deals via the Amazon link in the video description. Despite its ultra-wide 21:9 aspect ratio and UWQHD resolution, the Asus offers ample screen space for multitasking. The 100Hz refresh rate combined with adaptive sync technology ensures smooth visuals, making it ideal for fast-moving video content or gaming. Additionally, HDR10 support enhances the dynamic range for more vivid images. If you enjoyed this overview, subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. So what are the pros and cons of this monitor? Drawbacks: limited brightness for HDR content, mediocre built-in speaker performance, no pivot function due to the large screen size. Advantages: large workspace, versatile connectivity, adjustable ergonomic design, smooth visuals. If you're looking for a versatile monitor that works well for both productivity and entertainment, the Asus VA34VCPSN could be the right choice for you. However, consider the mentioned drawbacks before making a decision. Check out the Amazon link in the video description for the latest deals, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments.